So we did our video last week and we said that we would announce a winner of our hot chocolate from the comments that were left. We've had some really lovely comments, and for that we're very grateful. So we're now going to go off and we're going to go and choose a winner at random from the comments section. Bear with me 1 minute. Graham Swallow, you are the winner of the 61% hot chocolate drops.
Well done, Graham, well done.
I really hope you enjoy it. If you send us an email, you can find the link in our description below, and then give us your address. It's on its way to you. Happy Easter. It's
in the video description, Graham, so just click on that and our email address for the baking bird will be in there. Just send us your address, like Tracy just said, and well, it's posted off to you in time for Easter, hopefully, my friend. So we'll see you shortly anyway.
Also, guys, for anybody that didn't win it but really would have liked to try some, we have got a select few that you can purchase from us. We're going to be setting up an online shop in the next couple of days. Keep your eyes open. We will put a post up about it as well on Instagram and Facebook, just to say it's live. And we have got a few, like I say, only a limited few for now, and we'll go from there. And there's also going to be some tray bakes that you can buy, maybe some granola and anything else I can think of that's going to travel okay in the post. Okay, hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Thanks very much, guys. See you soon. Bye.
Get through it without Trevor larking around in the background. That'll be brilliant today. So we're going to go off and we're going to go and choose a random winner, and we'll come back with a name in just a moment.
A winner at random, you should have said, really.
Alright. Shall I say it then, and you can edit it in?
Yeah. Just start from the beginning again. Is this what it's like, Trey?
No, it's too hard. I can't remember it all. Hi everybody, how you doing?
We've jacked Tracy up there. We got her stood on some blocks. Otherwise, all you could see was the top of her head like that. See you soon. Bye.